be here. It's at a shopping center. What's he saying? And why are we the only ones here? Never been to a car show that I felt I didn't belong. Mostly because I'm driving a Ford. Albertsons. I used to work for them at one time in my life. Oh, there's another garage all lined up right there. And what's the dealio, Sean? We'll find out. I'll be back. Nice truck. That's Cisco?
900 horsepower.
How much?
900.
Whoa. I like this car.
How's she run?
Oh, man.
That's her excited. He said we didn't do this. Oh, that's where they're.
You ever try to follow this guy?
Oh, we've got to many shows, yeah.
My God.
You call him, bud?
How you doing, buddy?
Good, good.
Truck's looking good. Really good. Sounds good too. Now these, are those just ending up with 4 pipes?
Yeah, it's well, just Tyree did the headers and he ties them all in together.
That's a great choice, man. I mean, that was an absolute great choice.
Yeah, and I mean who better to build them than just Tyree, who's a famous drag racer.
Yeah.
Yeah, he built the exhaust, everything for it.
The headers in there are just gorgeous.
It is an absolutely gorgeous truck. Is this got a?
Got Cisco.
Yeah, through this truck.
Is this got a reverse valve body on the transmission?
It's a 4L80E with full adjustable bias.
Okay.
It's over the top.
This artwork. Who did all the artwork?
Jimmy C Customs.
My God. He did your van too?
Yeah. Well, this one I got Jimmy C, Styles, Wild Man,
Yeah.
Kiwi Terry. They're the top guys in the industry as far as artists.
No kidding. This is absolutely over the top. Over the top. And just a nice blend of every style that there was.
Yeah.
It's got a little taste
Gotta
of
pop your
everything.
hood for him. That way, since no one's around.
No music is
Of
playing.
course, as I'm driving up here, there's a big flashing light. Did you see the one down there?
Yeah.
It says loud exhaust will be enforced.
Oh, it's for all those 350Z kids.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Man, look at that header system. It's just 2-piece. Wow. Wowzer, wowzer, wowzer.
Tom hasn't showed up. Tom is supposed to come.
Is that a vacuum pump?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a Moroso racing vacuum pump we put on there. You don't normally see those on the street.
No. First I thought oil pump, and I go, no, that's a vacuum
But
pump.
it came out of the box from Texas, 826 horse, 800 foot-pounds, and it was jetted too light for our air here, and it needed more power. And then with the vacuum pump and with the special headers, it's right close to 900 horsepower.
Gosh. It's a monster.
Just because.
So it's a And it's a. I was thinking about that too. He's got a throttle
And he's on
throttle control.
Yeah, well, it's throttle bias for the pickup, the TPS for the 4L80E. It's a full 4L80E with a trans brake.
Okay, I see
You
it.
got trans brake.
We got trans brake.
Bias.
Hughes Performance built that tranny.
So it does have reverse valve body.
Yeah, well, you have it's got the lockout.
Yeah, but your first is
No,
up
the
to,
pattern's not
is at the
reversed.
bottom. No,
the pattern's not reversed. It's a 4-speed overdrive.
Okay.
He runs a 488 rear gear, and that gives him 2,900 RPM at 63 mile an hour.
Wow, just really nice. God.
Did you see the front filler panel?
Yeah, I'm it's like I look at a spot and there's something new in another spot that I just the detail is just amazing. Just amazing. One off totally.
Yeah, there's not too many trucks like this one out
Every style.
No, there is not by
Every style, every flavor of a that is just so cool.
50s, 60s.
That's
Insane.
exactly what this is. 50, 60.
It's
And
not,
from there, he hotted it up from that.
and does it have a hidden spray anywhere?
No, there's no cheater system. It's all motor. Just one carb. One HP 950. He was thinking about putting a 871 on it.
There's just no room. Could be fun, but there's no freaking room. And the biggest thing was it would make it run hot again. And that was the biggest challenge on these big motors like that is making it running cool.
Yeah,
he's 1,200 horse. We're going to the plate intercooler.
I'm going after or a pre-cooler.
Yeah, so the problem with those blowers, they just make your motor run hot.
Yeah.
And what's the point if you can't drive it? That's
No,
not fun.
no. I mean, it's fun to drive, but you cannot drive it on the freeway.
No, I like to drive this everywhere I take it.
Yeah, no kidding.
Otherwise, it becomes a chore.
Amazing
We're
truck.
on a trailer in California.
This amazing truck. And you left the drip rails.
Yeah.
Gosh.
And didn't quit. And he told him the motor was too big. He said he had to cut his firewall because the engine was too close to the radiator. All kinds of crap. Then somebody else tried it, and then he didn't want to meet the radiator lady because he didn't want to need to talk to some lady. He needed to get his truck on the road.
Right.
Sounds good.
We want to make cruising for a cure.
Some of those Jap cars are as loud.
Yeah, they are. That's why they're starting to crack down. There's so many of those now.
Those kids with those 350s.
Wow. What an absolute gorgeous truck.
They're loud.
Get over
They're starting to crack down.
Rat Fink. Amazing. Probably just as nice as underneath.
Well, the nice thing is, once I get up this, it's all downhill, so I don't have to get on it very much. Just go past Crown Valley. It's great, because it's this whole area lately, they've had
Ride for a good day.
Yeah. Certain cities, because I guess they have a lot of problems with
70? 37?
That's why I kind of stay on COP.
41. You just all the cars lined up to get in. A beautiful car. Look at that. Beautiful. Smell the leather inside there. Chrysler, huh?
like I'm done.
Money's coming in anyway, whether I like it or not.
Yeah.
39 Chrysler. Really easy.
It's beautiful little town. I say it's like the best temperature. It's perfect temperature year round. Never gets hot. Like 70 average.
I worked down in San Gilbert, 80 degrees.
Wow.
You're like, why'd you go in?
It was old mobile home. Like a big old mobile home.
Wow. Really wild today. I was recording him coming in, but I think the camera had a brain fart on it. I didn't get the footage. Just look at this. Sounds like electric.
You like Cisco's truck?
Oh, I love it. It just.
We'll have to get in the country. He'll have to take you for a ride.
It just
Goes right along.
it touches everything.
And it's on 4-wheel air ride. It'll lower down and raise up. And a drag race 4-link with Z-bar.
I'll tell you with that 4-link, you know, most cars like this, you know, you break the tires loose really easy. This thing freaking squats. It doesn't sit there. Even when you line lock it to smoke the tires, it's that ass end goes way down.
What rear end is this?
It's a 9-inch.
Curry?
Curry 9-inch.
Same.
We did the center section on it.
They call that the nodular. It's like one of the best rear ends you can get.
I know my Curry just has been bulletproof.
Yeah, Mike did his third member part.
35 spline, I believe it is.
But to come up with the idea to put the pipes out like that, and I've seen these pipes done wrong so many times.
Well, that's why I had the expert do it. I
Yeah.
had in my mind what I wanted, and he mocked it up for me. He goes, "Is this what you're thinking?" I go, "That's exactly."
Yeah.
I've always loved that look.
The truck is super pretty underneath.
Yeah, I got some footage of it. So it's all,
See his tail lights?
yeah, I got those with
Pay
close-ups of
attention to
those.
Yeah. You know, I was a nervous tick because this truck was at my place for 2 months. And I just knew I was going to knock one of those noses off. Or somebody was going to.
Yeah.
Or was going to catch a car up on
Well,
Sean did my moon pedal and all that.
Yeah, you see the gas pedal?
yeah,
And
yeah.
the MSD and a lot of the wiring. in there.
Yeah, he did a lot on this truck. Then he cut the, you know, that pedal. He cut it down so it sits lower and put that plate on there.
I like
And it's on a
the
roller cable.
I
So
like
it's like glass.
I like the steering wheel center button. Home
Oh,
button.
yeah.
Yeah, those.
They're good
the
choice.
rocket center cap.
Yeah.
I put one of those. You don't see those that much.
Don't see them
I
at
put
all.
one of those on my van. I just love those because usually they go with the traditional flat one.
Yeah,
I like that little
chrome
bullet.
bumper.
Yeah, the little bullet.
And what red is this?
Mine has an electrical plug on it now.
What red is this? Is this almost looks like a
That's a. They call that hickory red. It's a Chevy color.
victory red?
Okay. Oh, it is.
Wow. Well, I just drove that car.
Yeah.
Wow. And the grill is really clean. God, that's clean. Oh, boy. And there's stuff that you didn't do that I'm glad he didn't do, which is shave all the detail
No,
off
no,
there.
I like
Yeah.
the classic look of the
Gingerbread.
truck.
You
Yeah.
gotta have the gingerbread, otherwise it's just
Yeah.
another no-no.
You know, people take too much off of. I think the cool thing is to, you know, like back in the day, they didn't shave that crap. You know, unless they were modernizing it. And I don't know.
On the doors.
Yeah, but this isn't more of a full custom. This is more of a. I want it to be more like what they used to race back in the American graffiti days.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, this would have been something. They would be racing on the boulevard.
Now, if you look in the grill, there's moon eyes in here,
Oh, really?
and then where's dude? He used to always
It's up
be
there. It's up
standing
there on the firewall.
The center section.
What's that?
No,
The Rat Fink?
The casting. The Rat Fink casting.
Oh, those idiots over there at OC Cars broke it when
No way.
Yeah, they broke the. And I'm like, yeah, they leaned
Well,
on it.
Give it to me. I'll weld it.
And whose motor you said this was?
What's that?
What-
Smitting. Out of Texas.
Out of Texas?
This is a Super Comp dragster pump gas class race engine.